everyone, it's Colleen here with Artwork by Colleen. I know it's been a little bit of a break, but I just got back from an Alaska cruise. Anyway, I'm going to show y'all how I made this kaleidoscope cane. So I started with, if you look there, you'll see I just stacked all the different colors of a rainbow. This is what I originally just thought I was going to try and make. You can see by the picture in the beginning and the end. That's not even close. So anyway, I took that middle piece that had the multiple colors, and then I took all these separate colors that were just solids, and I started stacking them around the multicolored middle section. And then I kind of just overlapped them a little bit. I really wasn't sure where I was going with this project. As you know, I feel like if I start off with a design, and this proves it, for a kaleidoscope, it's definitely not going to come out the way I thought it would, but it's fine. So as I said, it's just basic colors, and I'm going through and putting them. Now, they're not the exact colors in the little stripes, but honestly, I don't really think it makes a big difference. So it's just kind of all the different colors I'm using. I did, because I put black in between the lines of all the rainbow colors, I went with black. However, I think white would have looked really nice, and had I not already made black stripes in between them, I might have gone with white because I think it would have brightened it up a little bit. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. So then I took this really light blue and I made it toward the bottom. And I also, if you look, that I took some purple and I made kind of two little round things. Sort of looks like little ears on it. I don't know. At this point, I was trying to turn it into sort of a triangular, somewhat of a triangular shape. And then I got the idea to take a piece of that light blue, roll it out into a thin roll, and then add little, put them together, make like a little chain looking thing around there. So I started to do that, and then I didn't like the way that looked, so I took that off. And as I always do, I show y'all how I screw up, but you know, it just makes for creativity, right? So then I took some of the colors that were going to be kind of the rainbow colors that were extra. I put them in between those black lined blue pieces, and I did not line those with black at all. I just kept them the straight color. Because why? I don't know. I thought it would look okay like that. And then I ended with a little blue one on top. Now it's getting a little more of a triangular look, but not quite enough. So I went ahead and added these little light green triangles at the bottom, so to give it once more a more triangular look. Now I'm kind of happier with it. I had this little extra piece of, it's kind of a dark pink covered in with white inside of it. And I just went ahead and used that. Now, I cut off those end pieces because I wanted to make 3 even looking pieces. And so that's like 1/2 of the kaleidoscope. It took me a little bit to put them all together the way I thought they should be. But anyway, once I had it together the way I wanted them matched up, couldn't decide how I wanted it because that's me. But I decided to go with the pink in the middle. Then I just sliced it in half, put it together, and there you go. There's the kaleidoscope just that easily. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The one thing I noticed is that because the way I did it with the colors, that they didn't quite match up exactly the way I wanted them to. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and like if you can. Have a great day.